Yung comms namin nun medyo hindi ganun kaganda and parang sobrang kulang namin that time.
Masyado kami naging relax against sa kanila. Kaya halos may mga ilang map na sobrang dikit ng laro.
Lumakas sila. Ngayon kasi parang nilalaro na sila as one din eh.
Malakas din talaga sila na team kaya nakahabol pa sila.
Right here, boots to the ground, Jet and Dempsey searching for their target. The captain trying to keep Naos in this map. Jet's already on defuse, halfway done. Here comes the Rolling Thunder, and we are going to a fifth map.
Nexi, Moder, and Eman. We've seen their re-addition to the team be very favorable dun sa mga nagagawa nila nung simula, pero pagdating sa Grand Finals, dun lang sila sumablay ang Zol Esports sa katapat nila sa laban na to. And maybe in this case, makakabawi naman ng Naos ngayon.
Naging motivated kami kasi nakuha yung trophy sa amin eh. Sa Naos eh. Kailangan namin bawiin.
Now they are just gonna
Push through. Naos loses their footing. They're still not committing on that defuse. Gonna be seeing one, gonna be seeing another. Boom!
Chulo gets
Halong motivated kasi gigil na bawian namin sila. Parang adrenaline rush kasi pag game 1 namin.
Tatlo na, balik pabi.
Dito ka, Bill.
Ito, bida. Nice. Bilaw!
Gusto rin namin pakita na kaya namin sila bawian tsaka yun nga, talunin talaga.
This out is by using those ultimates. They're gonna be running in. Mojo's in front. He's gonna be killing too. Gonna be taking time for him. Is he gonna be able to clutch it up? They still have a lot of people.
Yan ang mali ko.
defusing isa.
Sa wali ko, namuli ko. Ping. Pasok dyan.
Current state ng nung team. And mataas pa rin naman yung drive nila. And araw-araw nagpa-practice sa maayos. So maganda yung work ethic nila. So yun sabi ko talaga, all out sila sa game. Okay.
Need to see what he can do. Fault line there. Ryan Telepathy solo with Ja prepared one more time. Ja, a gunslinger. And the element of mystery, the surprise factor, Naos capitalizes on. Astro, the only one still standing, but Party World has been trapped in the snare of Naos. With all these chips lying with Lloyd Dream, Naos are just gonna go for the all-in. 13-0, a blitzkrieg in a fast map courtesy of Naos.
Ano lang, wala naman kasi nilaro lang namin yung laro namin that time so
Hindi kami maglalaro ng laro nila. Kaya naging 13-0.
Masyado kaming batak sa practice kasi no rest talaga. Kaya nag-effect yung 13-0.
Parang nagtutroll lang yata sila.
This time, a few points on the board for Just Us, but with Mojer pushing, it's just Mojud finishing off the job. Naos making a quick one here, 2-0.
Talagang malakas siguro kami.
Last, here we go with the From the Shadows. A again, the TP's there. Keliesto, awkward timing. Ja will get the one, but he's traded quickly.
Pinipilit ko pa rin kumuha na ng pitas kahit na nasa passive ako. Pero may mga time na kailangan ko mag-aggressive, di ko nagawa.
The man advantage. Mojer has to go on back towards the spike, but here comes Savvy, and time
That's it.
is dwindling away.
Timing pa! Nakumagot din, kita mo support. Takinam mo! Hindi lang kami nag-uusap ng maayos that time. Siguro more comms pa. Para sa akin yung nagkulang sa akin yung tapang. Yung aggression, yung usual playstyle ko wala sa laro na yun eh.
Mas okay din na natalo kami noong araw na yun kasi marami kami natutunan tsaka mas ma-overcome namin yung sa mental wise namin.
Gilinggong.
Hanggaling bang ginggong ginggang garanggong. Ang lupit mo eh, no?
Ayos ako.
Sobrang lakas mo eh. Ito na, mapuputol na yung oras ko. Wala na ako ng boses in 3, 2, 1, ah!
Yung way ko na ano, yung kung ano-ano sinasabi ko, tsaka nagjo-joke ako sa team. Eh, hindi yun, no? Way ko para mag-calm down sila and mag-enjoy sa laro. Kasi kailangan may kalahating seryoso ka, pero kalahating masaya ka rin. Kasi pag masyado kang seryoso, parang nakakalimutan mo explore yung laro. Nakakalimutan mo maging creative para sa akin. So relax lang sila. Kalmado lang and nag-enjoy. Yan.
No way! No way, Rico!
Ingat, Pepet. Raptors. Patay niya, Raptors. Nice one! Uy,
There you go, before the blitz, look for the swing, and there you have it. Papi Chulo does it yet again.
Now Esports is trying to go for the ulti orb. They took such a risk there.
This is up.
Wala, feeling namin parang kaya namin i-retake kahit dalawa lang kami.
Bigla na lang inubos ni Dek habang nagde-defuse ako.
Blow him up, Mosh.
namulin ni...
Good job.
Kasi mga bagong team, tingin ko may naman sila, may potential sila. And lalo na yung approach nila sa game, nakikita ko may pagka-structure. Pero yun, sadyang malakas na talaga yung yung boys ko.
No time! Subod lang ako na subod eh. Kasi binibigyan nila ako ng free will pumatay na.
Right now, 10 seconds. They can go for the plant here. It is a 2v2, and the two defenders taking a bit of time. Oh, able to get a 4K there, even while blinded.
Kyaku finds a frag of his own in retaliation. Left and right like he's playing aim labs. Ja breaking his arm to secure the 4K and the second map for Naos. Easy.
Para sa akin yung mga bagong team na sumali sa BCT, ang lalakas tumutok.
Malakas din talaga yung firepower nila nung time na yun. Pero sa amin, nung time kasi na yun, dami namin ginagawang experiment eh.
Kung gumagana ba dito, ganun.
Malalakas sila, lalo na yung mga tutok. Pero medyo ako dun medyo down yung ko, tutok. Kasi ilang beses ako nag-bot frag.
Siguro every error, ina-assess ko sa kanya. Binigyan ko siya ng parang extra push sa game. So sabi ko sa kanya,
Pag nagrarang daw ako, masakit daw yung tutok ko. So,
Mas binigyan pa namin siya ng freedom.
look at the result sa playoffs.
Pero oy!
Come on, Perry Seaton and now, just ko naman si Mojer! Mojer getting that ace of bigla. It's
Pero yun nga lang, tignan natin. Sa tamang outdoor na mga tropa, okay, meron kang tao dyan. At kumpleto si Ricardo's lahat kayo, may pagbawi. Mojer slides in with a
na, pero tamang Blade Storm at aapak yung ultimate na up sa Naos. Pag natalo pa sila dito, ewan ko na lang.
Ay, naku!
Papi Chulo, 1 versus 3.
Yung B-site is medyo narrow yung mga angle. So, ginamit ko lang smoke ko para 1v1 muna yung left side and ayun, sunod-sunod na.
Ikaw isa, Soba.
Nice. Hit bullet. Uy, 5 bullet.
Good plan pa rin.
Messi, winnable ba ang Papi Chulo? Pero Kelly is saan may naman dito?
Meron pa sa likod.
Kami ko yan. Ready na? Ready na. Excited.
3-0 ba?
15 to 13. It was close at the very start, but Naos will take their map pick number 1. It's not enough for Zol to still stay on. Naos, a commanding victory with a 13 to 3 for the second map.
Actually, kasalanan din namin siguro nung time nung third map.
Flames out there in the corner. Jeff versus Eman in an elongated fight. Sin's the one to finish the round and the map.
Hindi kami masyado tutugma, di kami same page mag-isip nung time na yun. Then nung fourth map naman,
Have been very low though, so they could equalize things up here. But look at Kamsi coming in big. Papi Chulo trapped in the corner. It's all now to Emon in the 2v1.
Emma trying to fight for his life, looking to at least continue overtime, but Zol have the numbers. They're on side here, boots to the ground. Jet and Dempsey searching for their target.
hype naman kami. Pero
Grabe din kasi yung mental toughness nung Zol.
The captain trying to keep Naos in this map. Jet's already on the fuse, halfway done. Here comes the rolling thunder, but Jet strikes like lightning, and we are not done with the series. We're going on this map.
Punta tayo back and forth. So kung ano yung mga plan dito natin sa attack, sundin lang natin ulit. Okay? Hindi sila mag-rotate. Diba? Oo. Pumunta tayo ng C. Actually, pumunta tayo ng C, wala naman. Nag-retake lang sila. Pero yung mga ganong klaseng placing ng rotation, kailangan natin. Sage wall, saan ba ginagamit? Sa bilagin. Although iba yung comp nila dito sa Ascent, pero kailangan natin i-take note of yung mga ganong klaseng information. Sobrang importante ng information. Feel ko nag-lock din tayo sa information kanina.
kasalanan pa rin kasi namin na parang medyo in-overthink namin.
Bumalik naman yung energy ng lahat ng team, tsaka lahat ng players parang wala naman sa kanila na nahabol kami.
Kailan boys, Tico, rock na yun. Balik na tayo sa BC. Different mindset tayo ngayon.
Lamang na kami 2-0 and nakabawal sila 2-2. Gagawin na namin best of 1 mindset. Manalo matalo, Dorday.
It's knocked out there by Nexi. Naos are doing it. One away.
Nakulangan kami ng composure. Kung mas may composure kami nung time na yun, siguro mas flawless yung laro namin.
Poppy Chulo, he's found the one. We've seen that angle work for Poppy multiple times, but not this one. 9-12. Zol will keep this one going again. Good here from Zol. Firepower is superior, and we see them make it to 10. Zol, they get the ace to keep themselves alive. And Mojer will no longer flinch. Giant Mojer have done what they needed, but now Mojer from up top in the reset, but there's no way. Che has made sure that we are going for another overtime. Within the side, both household yet again. We've seen this from Naos, willing to play on the site itself. With smoke now, setting up a bit of one-way, it drops down, and Ja will also drops in alongside it. Nexi also making sure Jet cannot repeat what happened last round. And now it's back to where they really start, and it's championship point yet again.
Deadlock to a tier in Ascent, and he knows how.
You need to know how to play Deadlock to begin with. Ja, though, in the meantime, he's playing towards stairs. He does have a tripwire in the way. The dash on in. Sin lands on the trip, and Ja will get the one for free. Through the wall, maybe another victim. Eventually, tripwire's gonna get broken. Zol have been stalled here already.
Great pick off. That's for free as well. Let's see this opening contact.
Yeah, here comes Jet. Wants the angle towards CT. Mojer the one looking for the fight. Sprays that Batman twice. Across, and now will this be the death sentence? 3 for Ja. Jet's all alone. Europe is in the play. And from Thailand to Tokyo, they are gonna go to Ascension yet again. Now Esports, the champions of Split 2 here in BCTPH.
Malakas din talaga sila na team, kaya ganun yung nangyari. Kaya nakahabol pa sila.
Para sa akin, malakas talaga yung Zol. Yung playstyle nila, kakaiba talaga.
Tingin ko pa rin overall team effort yun. Tapos kasi malakas yung teammates ko and sobrang tiwala lang din nila sa akin kahit ano sabihin ko. Kaya super proud din ako sa kanila. Tsaka super thankful ako sa kanila na sobrang pinagkakatiwalaan nila ako.
Yung feeling ko after manalo is parang relieved na medyo gigil pa. Kasi parang para sa akin hindi ko pa nalalabas yung full na potential ko tsaka yung laro ko. Pero after nun, sobrang saya ko kasi nanalo ko na.
Siyempre, una-una salamat sa Naos. And kay Zol, lakas nyo boy, grabe kayo. Sorry, medyo ano ako ngayon, may sakit. Yeah, thank you.
Nakakatuwa yung setup dito ngayon. And yung mga tao, sobrang ingay nila. Sobrang nakaka-hype. Ayun. Pakiramdam ko na babalik kami na Ascension. Feeling ko, ito na yun eh. Kasi nabigyan kami ng second chance eh. Kaya, ito guys, kukunin namin yung franchise.
Hindi kami papayag na lilipad lang doon para magbakasyon. Hindi, nandun kami para manalo. So gagawin namin best namin. Yun lang. Okay, sa Japan na next mag-vlog.
Yes, yun na next step. Sige, coach. Thank you.
Nakasing ina ba sa'yo yung nangyari ngayon?
Sa totoo lang, kasi alam ko kami mananalo ngayong araw.